Howdy, howdy, and welcome to Gamers Gotta Eat. What are we eating today? What are we making? I have a CSA lady, and she has given me some root vegetables right here. Now, I did cut the greens off and toss them because they were very, very wilted, because these were in my mailbox for a hot minute, but that's okay. These are actually still good. They're very cold because for some reason I thought, hey, let's put this in the fridge to preserve it. I'm not sure I would have to do that, but I've been informed these are turnips. I have never cooked turnips. I've never done anything with turnips. So we're going to play with it. We're going to take Southern cooking that I know, which is literally, if you don't know what it is, you chop it up, salt, pepper, fry it. So that's essentially what we're going to do, and we're going to see if it turns out okay. We're going to treat it like it's a potato, kind of. But first off, we're going to wash these. Well, we're going to cut the roots off, the tops and the bottoms, and we're going to wash them. So now they look like potatoes. They smell like radishes and like greens, if that makes any sense whatsoever. I'm kind of intrigued because it has like an earthy but spicy kind of smell. So here you have it. Yes, I am wearing Christmas leggings. Leave me alone. I'm ready for stuff. So I'm not going to cut these too awful thin because I still want to see what's going on with them. Or too awful small, I guess I should say. I know people at home are like, what is she doing to that poor turnip? Yeah, I'm butchering it. It's fine. It is fine. I told you I was going to cook it like it was a potato. Doesn't smell like a potato, that's for sure. So we're going to take these and we're going to put them in a pan. I'm going to do what I always do. I'm going to use butter. That's probably upside down. I'm going to use butter. Or margarine, rather. Because, I mean, who doesn't like a good little... I think a lot of people would use oil. Go ahead and add this in. Pepper. Salt. A little stir, get the butter mixed around, maybe get some of that pepper mixed around. Alright, so I'm just going to put a lid on it. I'm going to let it cook for a little bit. Alright guys, we are back. I let this cook for just a minute. I started hearing it sizzle. So we're gonna come in here and stir them about just for a smidge. Yes, some of y'all are gonna say it's burnt. I actually like things that have that nice little golden edge on it. Now the smell is quite interesting. I mean, I can smell the black pepper that I put in it. But it kind of smells like you're cooking like broccoli and cauliflower or something like that. I don't know why. Could just be me. So far, I think turnips are weird. So, alright. And then I will see you in another minute or so. Alright guys, I think they're cooked enough. Can you hear that? So essentially, cook them until they are screaming. Yeah, some of them have little burnt pieces on them, but I think that's okay. I did have to take the lid off because all the heat and the condensation on the top of the lid was dropping down and you would just hear sizzle. I imagine these would be cooked really well with like garlic and onions and stuff of that nature. So it's still sizzling. I'm probably going to regret my life doing this. Which one should I do? This one has a nice burnt edge. This is beautifully golden on two sides. I actually don't mind my food like that. It gives it that like little extra crunch, crisp. This is how our fried taters always were. They had some soft sides, some other sides. It's so weird. It smells like broccoli. I figured it was going to smell more like radishes. That smells 100% like broccoli. This is going to be weird. Okay. I understand why people would like these. And I might even like them more now, but this literally fried up like a potato. Looks like a potato. Is cooked like a potato. Salt, just a little salt and pepper. Fried in some margarine. That's weird, y'all. I think I might buy more turnips in the future, or see if my CSA lady has any more to spare. Those are actually really good. That one still had the taste of broccoli, but it had more of like that textured of a really overcooked cauliflower. I kind of like them. I'm only going to eat a few more pieces, and then I'm going to save it for my boyfriend to see if he likes it. I'm not going to tell him what it tastes like. First time cooking turnips. I'm embarrassed to say I didn't even know what it was when I got it. It was familiar, but it's not something I see in stores very often, or would ever think of purchasing, because it's just outside my realm. This isn't bad. I'd have that with some meat on the side, you know, some chicken or beef or something. Alright guys, well, gamer's gotta eat. This gamer's gonna eat some more of this, and I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the little ding-a-ling bell down at the bottom so you can be notified when more stuff comes out. Bye guys!